Hey traders, a quick live session for you guys. If you have any questions, let me know. We can take it from there. So I got this question asked a lot about the ATR, settings of the ATR, and how to manage the trade once the take profit one is hit. So I'm going to go through that in a very short while. So let me know, what instrument are you trading today? So let's look at settings of the ATR indicator. Right here you have the ATR indicator right on the top left corner. All you need to do, go in the indicator section, just type average true range. It will come up right here, and then the settings is set to 14th. It is come up as default settings. If you click on it, it will just normally come up like this. So just click OK, and then you have the ATR set right up there. Hey Rich, okay, GBP USD, let's check that. So for GB USD, as I can see, the price just pulled back to the recent resistance that has now turned support, and price above 50 EMA, and that's a very big support. 50 EMA is a support, and it is also at the major support. So looking good for buy. I would wait for engulfers at this area, but let's see if this candle is a 382 candle or not. Market is really slow due to the bank holiday here in the UK, so yeah, there's a 382 candle as well. For 382 candles, normally I enter a few pips above the entry candle, so maybe 10 pips above the entry candle. I set my buy stop order, so it looks buy to me. Nat gas closed, oil closed, Nasdaq closed. Yeah, just a quick live session. Arman, just if you have any questions, maybe I can answer it straight away. So that's why I came live. So for the targets calculation, let me show you an example here on the nat gas. So for nat gas, if you are managing your trade, the way you can do it, let's say we have an entry candle. We had this entry candle right here. So let's do in a replay mode so that it will make more sense to you. Let's do it. So let's say you entered your trade with this 382 candle. Actually, this 382 candle. And you're entering few pips below right here. So initially I'll set one ATR target, and the ATR is 4, as you can see on the top left corner. If you hover over this candle, it will show you the ATR. So 4 points will be the take profit 1, and then 4 points right here. So once your take profit 1 is it, let me play that right here. So once your take profit 1 is it, what you need to do, move your take profit further down 1 ATR, which is 8 points, of course. right here, and then you can move your stop loss to break even. So all you need to do, just add one ATR once your take profit 1 is hit. That's how you can manage your trades. Yeah, do look at dollar index as well. Yep, it's in my charts right here. Let's check gold and silver quickly for Paresh. Let's do gold first. Yeah, sure. I'll check a crude oil in a second as well. So for gold, like we have this nice bullish candle, a 382 candle. So for me, I normally set up my order like I just explained a few pips above, and in that case the order wouldn't have been hit and the price just pushed down, and in that case after maybe 2 or 3 red candles I'll cancel my order. In that case I'm going to cancel my order because the order didn't hit. So but overall it's bullish. Sorry. So what I'm expecting a further push down, and I'm expecting a buy signal here within this zone. So not selling at this point. The zone, in case you missed, this zone is 2005 and that goes down to 1990. So still looks bullish to me, Paresh, for gold. So what do we have? Silver, yeah. So silver, I can see a good signal right here, and we have a nice candle, this bullish candle, and there's an engulfing candle, a very valid signal for buyers. So expecting a price to push up from here. So at least 24 points. The way you can set your targets, set your 24 points here. Something like this. And like this. So 24 points looks like that, but just for the protection I sometimes just keep my stop loss below the wick and keep it 1-to-1 first and then manage my trades. Okay, let's check crude oil. Right, trading signal. So yeah, crude oil is still bearish, as mentioned in my last video. I'm still expecting a price to push down. That's a major area, very good, very strong resistance zone. That's a weekly level as well, daily as well, and weekly as well. Let me show that to you quickly. Let's see that on a weekly time frame. So if you see here, we had a good reaction out of this level. Price did push down from here, pushed it down from here. My throat is getting dry, guys. I'm fasting, so not very easy to speak. It's only an hour left for me. So good level, good level. There's a weekly level here. And if you look back on daily time frame, that's a very good level as well, if you see. So on daily time frame, we do have this bearish engulfer that happened on the daily time frame. Not a very strong bearish engulfer. I want to see a complete engulfing candle, but that's also a valid signal. So it looks bearish for crude oil. Haley, what was it? Is GDXJ? What's that? Sorry, I didn't get it. Hi Mask, I've just gave an analysis on net gas. I hope you have seen that. If not, let me know. Max, net gas is now in a buying area. Let me show you that. And Tarun, I'm going to look at the MCX just in a short while. Let's do. Let me show you the net gas as well. So price, as you can see, did react from the zone, this buying zone, a very big zone, I know. But if you go back and see, it's not a major area, but that is a zone previously from where the price did pushed up, pushed down, pushed down. And if you go back further, price did pushed up. See, so that is why I'm paying attention to this level, a good level from where price can likely push up from. But just to be on a safe side, you need to see a good buy signal. Let's say next candle is a bullish candle, then we have a buy signal. So this whole zone is the buying area. Even if we do not get a signal here, we can still get a signal in between this zone. So a buying zone now, not looking for sell trades at this point, not selling. If you are in a sell trade, then it's better to exit your trade at this point. Okay, Tahan, so let's see crude oil and MCX. Right, so is at the major resistance. I've already done my levels here. I do have some students from India. They use MCX, so that's why I've already got this level done on my charts. So this level is, let me show you that. You need to plot this level on your charts if you are trading crude oil on MCX. So it's 6675. That goes up to 7071. That's your resistance zone. And then you have a support zone below. 5573 goes up to 6027. So have these zones on your charts. For crude oil, I'm expecting a good push down at least till 20 EMA, a little bounce, and then it can fall to 50 EMA, and then maybe a good bounce. I took some nice trades here on indices. If you have seen my last video, not sure. If you have, then right here we had a nice trade on German index. Right here, nice bearish engulfer. I've already informed about these zones on my last video. So if you have seen that my last German 30 video, the zones were already there. No problem at all, Tarun. So if you see this candle, now the ATR is coming up as 65. So as you can see, the target has been hit right here, more than 65 points. And then we took a trade here on, let me show you. That was a good buy signal. I missed that. So that's fine. And then S&P 500. Right here, the initial target was hit. If you see, 19. Right here. Right here. So if you are managing, then keep your stop loss above, and then you can manage it like that. Let's see crypto, Bitcoin. So if you have seen my last video, the price is resisting this zone. So as you can see, 1, 2, 3 time. If you are doing spot trading on Bitcoin, then it's in a major selling zone. A daily time frame. Nice divergence. in the RSI, so it can likely fall. What else? Yeah, mostly on Fridays, because I don't upload videos on Fridays. So Friday is actually a good time to come live. Maybe I can do it on the weekdays as well, maybe in future. But for now, it's Friday. What's that? Is CAT 40? You said? Yeah, Kuram. I'm gonna send. I might upload a video tomorrow. Yeah, this weekend for indices as well. Is that an instrument? CAC 40. Let's check what you're talking about. I'm checking that. Right. Looks like it's at the highest point. Yeah, buddy, it's in the selling zone, a good zone. So we can expect a possible fall from this index, and price is in a very nice uptrend. So I'm not expecting a very big fall. So what I'm expecting is a fall to 50 EMA, and then it can push up again. So it can fall till 50 EMA, wherever the 50 EMA is on the charts. At this point, it's at 7141. Last time I'm in the UK. No problem at all. Let me know what else you're trading, guys. What do we have? I had some losing trades this week, but had some nice trades as well, winning trades. But that's fine, it's part of trading. Let's say Euro USD. What's happening there? Yes, Sam, I do trade net gas as well when the price is at the major zones or in a nice trend. So I took a trade 2 days ago where that was a stop loss hit, and then yesterday that was a take profit hit. So yeah, that was on my YouTube channel as well. So if you're trading Euro USD, that looks good to me for a buy, but yeah, with this candle right here, that would be your entry candle. Yeah, Sam, it can go up now. It's in the buying zone and a good zone, good buying area. So all you need to do, just wait for a condition like something like this, right? If you see here, a nice condition, a bullish engulfer. Let me show you how it looks like. Right here, if you see a similar condition like this, as you can see, a massive push up happened here from the zone. That was a reversal. So sometimes the price reverse, and sometimes when the price is pushing down in a trend, then it won't. It just hit your take profit and then continue to fall. So yeah, it can either reverse or maybe little bounce and then fall. Net gas. I'm talking about net gas. My pleasure. Hi Prayesh, you can DM me on my Insta. So if you have any questions and if you're stuck somewhere, that's easier to communicate on Insta. You can share screenshots with me, or if you have any confusions, I can just answer right away there. Very easy and quicker there than rather than sending an email. Let's see another forex pair. Let me show you a good trade here that happened on this one. We took this trade in the priority group right here, and that hit my stop loss, but I didn't get panic. I was under my risk capital. That's all we need to do. If you have put every single money in this trade, and then you won't get a chance to enter in a next better trade. So a good example of that, we took this trade in the priority group, stop losses hit, then we had a nice double bottom, exactly happened at my zone, and that hit my take profit right here, as you can see. So that's how you need to manage your risk and your trades without getting panic. What else we have? Let's see. I'm gonna stay live for next 5 minutes, and then I'll shut it off. My throat is getting really dry. I was still fasting, and still it's been like 16 hours now since I drink or ate anything. What a nice trade I've missed. That would be a nice trade. That would be your entry. That would be your entry. See, 100 pips if you would have managed it. And let me see if we have a retest of the neckline. So if the price come back here, I will take another long. So a good trade that was missed, but I've sent these zones to the members. They should have marked these zones on the charts already. They should have these zones there. Right here, that was a losing trade I had this week. Actually, this losing trade and then this losing trade. Hey Robin, what's up? What else we had? If you follow me in priority group, a nice entry, and both would have been hit your take profit. So that is how you learn from the trade signals, from the trade alerts. If you just take it as a signal, then trust me guys, then there's no point of that. But if you look at the entry conditions right here, a nice condition, all the rules are met. And if you are in my course, then you know all 6 rules already. Hi Robin, so for net gas I've already told that it's in the support zone, and this whole zone is a support area. So I'm just looking for the buy condition from here, something like bullish engulfers. So wait for that. Once we have a condition, we're going to go long, but all we need to wait wait for the good conditions like double bottoms or engulfers, and not a major zone. Major zone is way below right here, so it can still fall, but all we need to see a good reason to enter. It can hit your take profit and then might fall back down. So make sure you have a stop loss and take profit once you enter the trade. Okay, Australian dollars against Swiss franc. Let's check that. Where is that pair? Right here. You already have a nice sell signal that happened 2 days ago. Missed this entry as well. And let's see how far it can go. I think I've already sent this pair in my to the priority members. Yeah, I did send that. Yeah, when the price was somewhere here, we had a pullback, a nice condition, and yeah, if you have received this report, then that was a good take profit hit already. But now Robin, Ish, not expecting any sort of bullish moves, and it can still fall now. It can still fall with the pullback, so not buying this pair until the price is now in this zone below, which is 0.5871. So not buying this pair, so it's still going to fall likely. The data was not really strong. It's not a big difference came out after that data, so that's why we didn't have much. I'm not expecting a good, very good movement out of gold. So yeah, not very actually worried about gold for that. Right here for the gold, as you can see, still at the support zone. So I want to see a good reason to enter. I won't be entering blindly, so if I see an entry reason which is likely, it can push up again. Nobody is not the London Nikkei market is not actually moving much. I know it's a bank holiday weekend here in London as well, where I live. But I just came live to answer any questions for maybe Tuesday, or some traders they have confusions of how to um, use ATR settings and how to manage the trades. That's what I told at the start of the video. That's why I came live. Just for if you have any questions, I can answer that straight away. Not trading today, so it's just a general live session. Right, guys. So time to leave now, and I leave you guys to enjoy your Easter holiday and a long weekend if you are living in London or US as well, Australia as well. So yeah, if you have any questions, just leave a comment down below. I'll try to answer that as soon as possible. Or if you want to just contact directly to me, you can DM me on Instagram. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So, right, I leave you guys here. I hope you have an awesome weekend, and I hope you have an awesome bank holiday weekend. See you guys in the next one. Take care. Yeah, actually, yeah, I used to go do analysis on 5 minutes and 1 minute, do trading way, way before, but I'm not doing it anymore. It doesn't suit my schedule, so I'm mostly doing it on 1 hour and 4 hour time frame. But sometimes I still do it when I have a good time. Like now in Ramadan, I still go on a smaller time frame, like 30 minutes and 15 minutes to do a quick scalping. So that's when I do that. Rules are everything is same. Rules are same. Bye, guys. Enjoy your weekend. Take care.